Hey Summit members! Today I wanted to share with you a few tips that I had for learning how to pack raft. So if you're new to pack rafting, like myself, it's an awesome combination of backpacking and rafting. So it's a great way to see the outdoors both on foot and by water. So my first tip for learning how to pack raft is to try it out before investing in your own gear. So go on a trip with somebody who's been pack rafting for a little while, really get the full-on experience, and then start considering investing in your own gear for it. My second tip for you is once you've decided that, say you do like it and you want to start heading out on your own or with a partner, definitely start out easy as far as both the hiking and the water aspect goes. So choose flat water or very low rapids as far as the rafting part goes, and hiking trails that are well within your experience and ability, because it's going to be much different from anything you've done before. And another great thing is to practice falling in and out of the boat too while you're in this flat or slow-moving river water stage. So my third tip for you is consider getting some professional training. So there are tons of outfitters out there and pack rafting courses that will take you out, and you probably only need to go or take a class once or go a few times with a guide before you really get the hang of the basics and can start heading out on your own. So to quickly recap, 3 tips I have for you for learning how to pack raft. First and foremost, get out there and go with somebody, try it out before you invest in the gear. Number 2, once you've decided you like it, have invested in the gear, and are ready to start out on your own, start out well within or under what you're comfortable with as far as both hiking and paddling goes, because it's going to be a much different experience. And tip number 3 would be to consider taking a pack rafting course or going out with a professional guide a few times, because there's definitely no substitute in the outdoor industry for professional guidance. So hopefully you guys found those tips useful and are interested in learning how to get out and pack raft. So keep me updated on Summit. I'll see you guys next time.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to hiking and backpacking, I just wanted to recommend that you check out our Adventure Academy Summit, where you'll find everything you need to know to learn how to become a safe and confident hiker. In Summit, we have tons of video courses, ebooks, and downloadable cheat sheets. We also do weekly live webinars where you can get any questions that you might have on a variety of subjects answered in real time. Summit also comes with a really convenient mobile app, which includes sort of a mini Facebook for all of its members built into the platform. So you can connect with other adventure junkies in your area at your convenience. It's really cool. If you want to give it a chance, check it out and go to the adventurejunkies.com/academy or click the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in Summit.